Everybody, well, this is Monday, March the 9th, 2026, and we are in Bowling Green, Kentucky on our way back from Pine Ridge. And Stephen thought that he would go ahead and take care of business while we were passing through and haven't made it home yet. So, Stephen, what do we have
I'd like to get 4 of those,
4 of what?
but I'm not rich enough to get those.
Oh, look at that. You want 4 of these?
Yeah, let that man go.
Oh, sorry, pardon me. Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry about that.
I'd like to have 4 of those.
All right, so we are at Fleet.
$225 a piece. What was the man's name? Craig?
Craig.
Yeah. Craig's the man.
Craig's the man, huh?
Yeah. But don't tell him that.
You know what these are, don't you?
What's that?
These are to remove the springs off your brakes.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, I wonder how much they are.
To remove the spring off your brakes.
Yeah, and put them back on.
Oh.
So you put a spring on there, and you put the spring, and you stretch it out like that, put it on, and let it off.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, look, there you go. Brake spring tool. There you go.
Yeah. I should have a set of those.
They got it in yellow and blue.
The yellow's easy to find. The blue's be cool.
You gotta take the DEF system off the truck and everything else. Oh yeah, then you gotta take all the shock hangers off and raise the cab up.
About the same.
Yeah, they're supposed to be white.
All right, well, tell everybody what we're picking up.
We are picking up some steer axle bearings and seals and caps for the bearings and shocks because I have abnormal wear on my Michelin steer tires.
Your Michelin spirits.
And I paid $500 for a front wheel alignment, and I got new kingpins, so the only thing left is maybe sloppy bearings. Maybe or bad shocks, one of the two.
But I heard you tell Mr. Craig on the phone that they're not necessarily bad, but you had not replaced them yet.
That's right, because I checked the temperature and they're running cool. They only run like 90 degrees going down the highway, so. But that doesn't mean that they're not loose.
Okay, so I mean you're basically doing preventative maintenance, correct?
Yes.
So
I should have done this one last year when I did all the other bearings, but it's another $500 on top of the $15,000 that I already spent. So
this is the final piece of the puzzle. This is the only thing that you have not actually done.
no, it's not the final piece of the puzzle. Maintenance is the never-ending story on a truck. So I'm having abnormal wear, and I'm just trying to figure out what's causing it.
Okay. Again,
And since I've done everything else, I might as well do these.
it's just a matter of preventative
Be
maintenance.
good.
Stephen Howard?
You talk to Craig?
Yes.
So is there a core? Is there a core return? Like, would you be able to get a core?
No cores on this.
No cores on this?
No.
So then would you just end up throwing them away, the old ones?
Yeah, you can make ashtrays out of them or something.
You can make ashtrays out of
Yeah,
them.
because they're round.
Oh, you can.
Round bearings.
So you can do something with them, right?
Yeah. Take some, you could take some JB Weld and set them down on a piece of metal, JB Weld them on there and have an ashtray.
Huh. Well, but since we're not smokers, that wouldn't be applicable to us.
Well, you can stick change in it.
Oh, well, that's
Or
true.
you can set it up here and have a card holder like these.
Oh.
You
So
can use them for many things.
you can
Put them on the wall and put pictures in them.
really?
Yeah, you can do anything to them or anything with them.
Okay, so you can be pretty creative. I mean, instead of putting them in
If
the
you're a creative person and you got time on your hands.
yeah, instead of putting them in the landfill, right?
Which is typically what I do.
Was to put them in the landfill.
Scrap. Scrap.
Do you need any logbooks while you're here?
Huh?
Do you need any logbooks?
Probably, but those are inspections.
Well, it says inspection and logbooks.
Yeah, but those none of the logs that I use. I use different ones.
So talk to me about these. You said these would be nice to have. Why would these be nice to have? Because they're just cool. Why would these be?
See my tiger tool here.
Why would these be cool to have?
Love to have that tiger tool one of these days.
Tiger tool.
The one that removes the bushings.
Oh yeah, yeah.
The $1,500 tiger tool. They got all kinds of tools. We don't have that one.
Steven, talk to me about these.
Those? Yeah, so my insides on my duals are running steels. These are steels. And they're all rusty. And I would like to have a set of these and move my aluminums in and then move these on the outside so I have shiny on the outside.
Shiny on the outside.
Shiny. Not shiny, shiny.
Oh, shiny. Oh.
That's right, because they're from China.
Oh, I thought you said shiny.
Yeah, these are from China, so they'd be Chinese.
Shiny for
Chinese on the outside. Made in Taiwan.
There's a nice looking Cadillac out there.
Yeah. Been putting miles on it going to seeing that boy.
Right. So we haven't even made it home yet. We're having a
We're
pit
not
stop.
far. Bowling Green's only 60 miles from now.
Yeah, so we're just 60 miles from the house, but we're on our last leg back home from Pine Ridge, Kentucky, seeing AJ yesterday. So we were in the Cadillac.
Is yours like plastic ends or metal ends on?
You need to buy any chains while you're here?
No. I've got chains.
Oh, go ahead.
Straps? You got straps.
Got
You got straps. You got chains. Boy, it really adds up. Everything's pricey for sure. Oh, look at that. Look at their seats.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but all those are butt sweaters.
Butt sweaters?
Those all get swamp butts.
Swamp butt seats.
Yeah. Every time you sit on leather, you're going to get a swamp butt.
No, she's here.
Are you Craig?
That would be me.
Oh, all right. So, Steven, we're ready to check out.
All right, your total tax and all is $429.01.
$429.01.
$429.
I like his voice. He's got a big, deep
He's
voice.
got a radio voice.
Yeah, he does.
And incidentally, you all see I'm focused on Steven because Mr. Craig didn't want to be on film, but he's got a radio
That's normal.
voice.
Lots of people are that way. So
Yeah, you're not alone. A lot of people ask me not to film them. So, you're not wanted by the law, are you?
Oh, no. No, thank goodness.
here, this looks like one of them Dippy Doo cans right here.
Yeah, that's an Ozium air freshener.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, somebody tried to peel it up and sniff it there, and it's still got a piece of cellophane underneath the
Oh,
cap.
that's funny. That's funny.
So you know how in the old classics that they don't have filters for the air conditioner?
Mm-hmm.
So what I do is I get those sink scrubbers for your dishes,
Right.
and then I take those bread ties and put those up there and tie them on.
Oh, that's pretty safe.
Yeah. Well, it's better than having to take the whole cabinet apart to clean your.
Oh, yes, sir. Absolutely.
Yeah, because that's a pain in the butt right there.
I can only imagine.
So this is our invoice for Fleet Fright. Oh, look at that signature. That's not even a signature.
That's a rock star signature
It's a rock
there.
star signature. So, yeah, that's
Now,
right.
you need some help packing this stuff out?
Please, sir.
Yes, sir.
Younger than I am.
Well, we'll have to figure out. Our car is loaded up because we're
I
just.
didn't see a tiger tool for the bushings back there. I had to create one last year. I took a bearing puller about this big to get them freaking bushings out. For the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Steven, there's no room in the trunk. It's all
I'm not
AJ's.
putting it in the trunk.
Okay.
I think your side's.
We're coming back from a road trip. So, Steven, is this everything then?
That's everything.
That's everything.
Bearing seals.
$400 don't buy much.
Nice more these days.
Thank you, sir.
The best of the best.
Yeah. Have a great day,
Best
sir.
bearings.
Well, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
I spent 15 grand this time last year rebuilding the whole bottom side of this truck.
Oh wow.
But I did kingpins, but I didn't do the bearings. And I didn't do shocks because they had brand new shocks on. And so went through 3 sets of steers because when I was all done, I had it aligned. But I've gone through 3 sets of steers. So the only thing that I can think of is those, they run cool. I get out and I check them, they run around 90 degrees.
Oh, okay, that's good.
But so the only thing I can think of is maybe they're a little sloppy.
Did you have Gabriel's on there before?
No, it had Monroe's.
Okay, yeah. Monroe's, they're gas filled. These are oil filled.
Okay,
And
so
that-
hydraulic.
Right, yes.
Right.
They should give you a much better
The
ride.
inside of
Is that
my
better
tire.
Oh yeah, Gabriel's excellent,
That
yeah.
very inside tread wants the cup,
Mhm.
and then once that cup starts, and it goes bald. So
I understand.
and
yeah.
Michelin's at night, yeah, it's a lot of money. So.
Yes, sir. Absolutely, it is. And you got to put new on the steer. You got no choice.
Oh
but
yeah.
Michelin's as good as it
Everybody's
gets.
life depends on
You
them
got
steers,
that right.
that's
A lot of liability.
right. How much are your wash poles? I broke mine the other day.
I want to say they're somewhere around $30 or so.
He did break one.
$35.
He did break it. He was.
Yeah, and with all the fiberglass went right in my freaking
Ooh.
hand.
Well, maybe you
Almost
need to run
cleaned
back
the top
in.
of my RV
Do you
with
need to
it.
run back in and buy one, Stephen?
All right, Mr. Craig.
Well,
thank you.
are you not gonna run back in and get one while
No,
you
I
can?
just wanted to know.
But you said you broke yours, so here they are.
That's all right.
Oh,
I can come back.
There you
I'm
go.
a truck driver.
Absolutely.
all
Y'all
right.
come back and see us.
Thank you, Mr. Craig.
All right,
All
y'all
right,
take
thank
care.
you.
Be
All
safe.
right, thank you.
Have a wonderful day wherever you are. God bless and later.